are you? The dragon thief? Drago Bloodfist? Do you even understand what I'm saying? Toothless! Oh, it's okay. I'm glad to see you too, bud. You really had me worried there.
Hiccup. Could it be? After all these years? How's this possible?
Should I know you?
No, you were only a babe. But a mother never forgets. Come.
Boar-headed, just like his mother. Aye, she could never stay put either.
Yeah, he's just 20. And a Viking. I mean, could there be a worse combination? When I think of how stubborn and senseless you were back in the day. Oh. Well, not much has changed, actually.
You know what he's like. He won't give up, Gobber. And if Hiccup finds Drago, before we find him...
Ah, nothing can hurt Hiccup so long as that Night Fury's around. It's a Night Fury!
Huh?
Find him, Skullcrusher. Find him.
Hold on, wait just a minute.
This way.
Come back here.
Come.
You can't just say something like that and run off. You're my mother? I mean, what the... Do you grasp how insane it sounds?
Come, quickly.
I have questions. Where have you been all this time? What have you been doing? But they said you were dead. Everyone thinks you were eaten by... This is where you've been for 20